Here I've got OnePlus 6 Pro, and let me show you how to change language on the following device. So at first you have to open the settings, then find and select System, go to Languages and Input, and pick Languages. If you would like to change the language, just select Add a Language. Here you can come up with all languages that you can set, just pick the one that you would like to apply. Let me pick Spanish, slide it up to the first place, and as you can see now, the language is changed, so you can use the device in this newly set up language. If you would like to go back to English or change the language one more time, you have to open the settings again, go to System, select Languages, go to the Languages, and you can remove it by tapping on More icon, select Remove, mark the language that you would like to delete, and tap on Bin icon. Or you can obviously add another language and then slide it up to the first place. So that would be all, so you can change language in your device. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.